One of our core values at Southeastern Tank is integrity and respect, and understanding that if we don't provide good service and good communication and trustworthy advice, then that relationship will fall apart. You know, your tank population is the second most expensive thing in your system, behind your water and your wastewater plant. They get the least amount of attention. Newport was the first utility that ever approached us with the concept of putting their aqua stores in a maintenance program. This was a very unique approach that we took. Obviously, we had all the records for all the tanks that we'd built, and we came up with a very, very simple 10-year schedule. We went through a full RFP process that was provided to us by Newport. We went through their procurement process and was really impressed with the idea of the contract language, because one of the things about tank asset management that I don't like is that traditionally has been done with the entity, the outside service company is the one that controls when the service is done, how the money is held. They're holding the dollars. And with Newport, we said, we want you to hold your money in your account, and you'll pay us when we actually perform the work. So we took a reverse approach of what the industry had done. And so when we initially brought that up, that was a little bit of a pushback. Well, we're used to doing it this way. And I said, I would really rather that you hold your dollars and we agree when the job is done right, and then you pay us.
It's probably easier than anybody else I've worked with. Their scheduling is a lot better. Other people we've worked with just call out of the blue and say, we're coming to take this out. They'll give me months. I can schedule way up. So it's a lot easier for me. I mean, there's no frustration at all. They've never let me down.
Tank asset management has been a real game changer for us, and I would recommend anyone to consider Southeastern to partner with them in this endeavor. It's been great, and we truly enjoy our relationship we have with them.
Mark and Austin both know what the system needs, but they may not have the expertise or the reach to be able to get their hands on everything. It's a 600 square mile service area. It's 11 million gallons worth of tankage. It's 5 million gallons being processed every day. There's never an end to the work. There's never a time where you just sit back and say, it's all working great, because it's an age system, so they have to continually provide maintenance and upkeep for it. So they call Dina, and Dina gives them what they need. That's the force multiplier that somebody like Southeastern Tank brings to the team. It's a relationship, and it's a partnership, and it's somebody that we trust. If you can have a trusting relationship with a vendor, you're off to a great start.